Hey guys, and welcome to Happy Rider Reviews. In today's video, I have my hands on the 266 LED solar smart light. These have built-in rechargeable battery of 2200 milliamp and they emits white light. It has 2500 lumens, and if you take a closer look at it, the angles that it emits the white light is 270 degrees, and it can also detect human motion from anywhere up to 16 to 32 foot away. So for a solar light that has 266 LEDs built into it, it's actually a little smaller than I expected, but I guess that could be a good thing since it'll be easier for us when we hang it up. Now let's go ahead and take a closer inspection at the actual light itself. So as you can see, it has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, which is the main port, 4 and 5, so the angle at which the light emits will be broader than other lights. On the front you have the motion sensor right here, so every time somebody walk across this light, the light will automatically turn on in bright mode. Now that will depend on what mode you leave the light on. It has 3 different modes. Now for mode 1, during the nighttime the light will remain off. It will only turn on when it senses motion, and it will stay on until after 15 seconds if it senses no more motion. For mode 2, the entire light will stay on during nighttime in dim mode, and whenever it senses a motion, it will turn on in bright mode, and after 15 seconds of no motion, it will automatically turn back into dim mode again. Now in mode 3, this solar light will remain on the entire night in dim mode. Now if you take a closer look right below the motion sensor right here, there's a button right here, and this is actually your power button. So in order to power this light on, you can either wait till it's nighttime or go into a completely dark room and hold this button down for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then the light will start to flash, and that is how you know it is on and in mode 1. Now to change it into mode 2, simply quick press this button another time, and to change it into mode 3, press this button another time, and press this button the 4th time to power it off. So inside of the box it also came with 4 screws like this, that way you can actually hang these lights up. Now each light will require for you to use 2 screws right here, and here's a quick look on top. This is where the solar power is, so make sure wherever you place this light, the solar is facing towards the sun, that way it can recharge the batteries during the day. Here's a quick look on the back, nothing much back here. So let me go ahead and hang these up and show you how bright they get. Alrighty guys, so here I am in my backyard at night. Now you may not be able to tell, but in front of me over there I have my barbecue grill, and especially with the time nowadays, it get dark around 6:30ish. So a lot of times we have parties and family and friends over here and we want to barbecue. We will not see anything over there since there's no light on that corner of the house. So I put those 2 solar light over there, and you'll see as I walk closer to it, it will start to turn on as soon as it senses motion detection. So I put one on top there and another one right in front of the barbecue grill way on top right here. So let me back up. Now as you can see, everything is so much brighter. So much better than before, right? So I'm going to stand still here and not move around. That way you can see the difference when the light turns off. So as you can see it guys, totally pitch black, but with the light comes on, it is pretty bright. And here's a last look at the light on. So guys, that is the 266 LED smart solar light. Links will be in the description box for you to check it out for yourself. Thanks everybody for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.